Get this amazing game for free today. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure guys you check UFO 187 English Masterclass for more interesting content and more interesting guides. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open your Epic Games Launcher today like me. Just download Epic Games Launcher and create account. After that, go here on store and scroll here down and you will see here free games. We also have here 112 Operator, free game. To get role redemption, just click on this game and go here get. Check this and go place order. And you will see a message, thanks for your order. Just go here continue browsing and new game is in library. Just download game and enjoy playing this game. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get free game for your PC. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.